Hello and welcome to Keepsales. Now in this video series, we will be looking at the deliveries feature, and specifically for this particular episode, we will be looking at deliveries history on Keepsales. Now if you're a business that is actively involved in delivery, Keepsales allows you to schedule your deliveries and manage them all in one place. So let's get to it. Okay, so we go to the main menu and then we locate deliveries. Okay, you click on deliveries and then you find deliveries history. So let's click on deliveries history. Okay, so under deliveries history, you are able to find all the available records, okay, pertaining to your deliveries over here. Okay, so like I said, if you are a business that is actively involved in delivery, okay, you are able to manage, okay, and then have all the records organized in one place for you. Okay, so over here, you notice the table contains you find the delivery ID, the customer details, okay, their mode of payment, the customer details, the item they ordered. You can click to view the item, the prices, the amount, the location, when they placed the order, when it was delivered, and then the statuses. Okay, these are also very important. So you're able to know which deliveries are pending, as you can see here, the ones which have been delivered, the items which were returned. Okay, and then there are ones which are on the way. Okay, so you are able to even update the statuses directly from the delivery history. So then if it's been delivered or it's on the way and then you haven't updated any of the schedules here, you can do that. You can also change the schedule. Okay, so maybe let's say the customer has called to change the schedule. You can click to change the schedule as well. Okay, now you can also filter your delivery records. Okay, so you can filter by customer. Okay, you can filter by product. You can even filter by intervals. Okay, and then orders scheduled to be delivered within a particular time frame. Okay, so if you want to see, you can use any of these parameters, okay, to filter your deliveries history. Okay, and then you'll be able to have all those records available to you. Okay, so this is all for the deliveries history. I hope you enjoyed this video. There are more of such amazing videos available for you on our YouTube channel, so do well to check them all out. I'll see you again in our next video. Have a wonderful time and bye bye.